Hello everyone and welcome to Mandwambi Updates. This is Mandwambi and welcome to my show. There's some news today about Xbox and PS5. So mbade njalga to Sako. But before we go ahead, I'd like for you to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment if possible, and like the video to get more content like this. So let's get into it. Thank you very much. So at the beginning of this week, Microsoft is announcing agenda gula Zanimax Studios for $7.5 billion. Zanimax Studios, the parent company ya Bethesda Studios. Bethesda Studios yekola game ngeza manga Elder Scrolls oba jibayite Skyrim. Now the most interesting part about this is that Skyrim babadde ba independent game nga wachizanyira either ku PS4 oba ku Xbox oba ku PC. Kati Microsoft wejiguze. What all fans are wondering is oba game egenda bera exclusively on what? On Xbox and PC only, oba enasigala ng'ekyazanyibwa kuki ne ku PS4 oba ku Sony consoles zonna. Microsoft okula eno studio ebadde eva before mabegeyo ng'ekula studios nyingi era kati wetwogera erina games nyingi form yayo kati games nga Doom, Wolfenstein, Dishonored, Fallout 2, Evil Within. So wano Xbox eyongedde okwongeza studio network yayo okuva mu 15 to 23. So eno acquisition ebadde y'amaanyi nnyo era eteeseewo shock mu industry ya gaming, console gaming. So where now fans ba games nga Elder Scrolls Skyrim are wondering oba enaba ekyazanywa ku PS3 oba egenda beera Xbox exclusively. So kwekyo now Xbox eyongedde okulaga amaanyi oba okweyongera amaanyi mu console industry. Now we are just waiting to see yo Sony kyo kikyogenda take out countering eno move oba Microsoft yebataddewo kati. But now in other news, Sony game oba wali ojuliddeko ya Metal Gear Solid bagenda kuremakinga Metal Gear Solid 1 bagiteeke ku PS5 egamawulire agaliwo ku Sony. Tegenda kubeera remastered but it's going to be an overall remake. Abo mawulire agavuddeyo nga rumor. Of course Sony abadde tenabakikonfaminga ddala naye of recent balaze a remastered version ya Metal Gear Solid 2 bagitadde ku PC. Nago gadde gazenga rumor naye kati ne gano aga PS1 ogenda ku PS5 gafunye. So tugenda watching out tulabe. So gwa amawulire agabaddeyo gibadde jagalo batuusaako nze nga Mandwambi wano ku Mandwambi Updates. Mwebale nnyo owuliriza. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel and hit that like button.